Hello everybody, it's Sayedul Technical. Hope everybody is fine. Today's video is ideas about Sony PS Vita. Let's start the video. So everybody, this is my new Sony PS Vita. Let's start ideas about this PS Vita. Memory 512 RAM, 120 MB RAM, storage 1 GB, fresh memory, display 5-inch, OLED, LCD, graphics quad-core Power VR SD into 554 MP4 plus, sound stereo speakers, microphone 3.5 headphone jack, Bluetooth, input touch screen, rear touchpad, speaker, motion, 3-axis electronics compass, D-pad, 60 buttons, select PS power, 2 sticks, camera, front camera and back camera 0.3 MP cameras, touchpad 5-inch multi touch touchpad, contactive IEFE 802.11bg and Wi-Fi 3G. I hope you like the video. If you like, channel subscribe, like, share, comment. See you next video.
Like a fantasy, but it may require some love and desire.